The P0130 code refers to a malfunction in the oxygen sensor circuit, Bank 1, Sensor 1. What does this mean? This is the most important oxygen sensor, the one located before the catalytic converter. Its main function is to monitor the oxygen content in the exhaust gases and send a signal to the computer to adjust the air-fuel mixture. A P0130 means the computer has detected a general problem with this sensor's signal or circuit. The most common symptoms are an illuminated check engine light. You may also notice increased fuel consumption, rough idling, or a slightly rough or lacking engine power. If the P0130 appears, the first thing to do is check the code with an OBD2 scanner. The most common cause is a faulty oxygen sensor. Visually inspect the sensor and its wiring for damage, corrosion, or loose connections. The sensor's wiring is crucial. A broken wire, a short circuit, or a poor connection could be the culprit. Also, check the fuses associated with the oxygen sensors. Less common but possible is an exhaust leak before the sensor that is falsifying the reading. Don't ignore the P0130 code. A malfunctioning oxygen sensor means the computer can't properly adjust the air-fuel mixture, resulting in significantly higher fuel consumption, and eventually damage to the catalytic converter from excess unburned fuel. Additionally, your vehicle will fail emissions tests.